Hi, I'm Greg Addersley at Nurse Chevrolet Cadillac. Today what I'm going to be doing with you is informing you about our memory seat functionality. I'm going to be going through the steps on how you set that up and how you can gain the most from that feature. Alright, so first thing you want to ensure when setting up your memory seat functionality is that the feature is actually turned on. In order to do that, you go to your settings, go to your seating position, and make sure that there's a green dot for seat entry memory and for seat exit memory. Alright, so for your seat entry memory, set your seat to a comfortable position for driving. Now, in order to set this, you press and hold set and press and hold 1. 1 and 2 are denoting the key fob. I know this is key fob number 1 because it informed me when I got in the vehicle in the center of the gauge cluster. To set the exit memory, move your seat into a position that allows you to easily exit the vehicle. And once again, press and hold set and this button at the very bottom showing you exiting the vehicle at the same time, and wait for 3 beeps. Excellent. Now let me show you how it works. Get in the vehicle. Now the seat automatically moves to where I set for where I want it to be when I'm driving, and it'll automatically move to where I want it to be when I exit, when I turn the vehicle off. Okay everybody, thank you very much for watching this informative video on how you set up your memory seat functionality. Take care.